My best gluten-free brownies yet. These can be made in one bowl and in about a half an hour. You'll need Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 gluten-free baking flour, and note that these use olive oil. Olive oil has been used in baking since ancient times, especially in Mediterranean cultures, and makes gluten-free baked items very moist. I use light olive oil in baked goods rather than extra virgin. Spray an 8x8 baking dish with baking spray and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Melt your chocolate chips in the microwave for about 2 minutes at 2 power. A microwave melts the chocolate without the chocolate getting very hot. Meanwhile, to a mixing bowl, add the eggs, sugar, olive oil, vanilla, and milk or cream. Whisk until smooth. And after about 2 minutes, check your chocolate chips. Mine need another minute at 2 power. Then add the flour, cocoa, salt, and baking powder to the egg mixture. Your chocolate chips should only be slightly warm. If they're hot, allow them to cool before adding them to the egg mixture. Adding 2/3 cup extra chocolate chips or nuts is optional. Then bake in your prepared 8x8 pan for about 28 to 30 minutes. For more great gluten-free baked goods, see my playlist or try no-bake peanut butter granola bars, thin crisp almond cookies, and the best gluten-free graham crackers. Be sure to like this video and please share it with others who need delicious, tried and true gluten-free recipes.